এতিয়া আমি খান nature trail de chabole ase zoological park Nagaland Dimapur to yate ami khana team idu sab manu bishi excited pura khara kore ase. Are you excited to try nature trail? Okay. Go guys. Go. Turn gulen sabi na Tadebra. Hey, Tadebra turn. Okay. Itia entry hoise nature trail de. Ami khana last birthday ase ake takte chai ase. Jungle etan. Itu group khana ase. Sab mana ke interview kuribole ase. Mamta nature trail laka experience kinaka ase.
Bishi bhal ase aro it's like to live and see so good. So let's explore it.
Oh. And yate aro tusra ekta ase. Khushi. Kinaka lagi ase nature trail de.
So good.
Excited. Okay. Kinaka lagi ase nature trail de.
Bishi bhal ase nature trail.
Aro tusra khan ke ki kobole mon ase viewers khan ke.
Visit kore.
Okay. Yes. How you like this nature trail?
Idia karne to bhal ase. Idia starting gusi ase. Idia agi jaina sao kina ho.
Okay. Excited?
Yes.
So viewers khan ke ki kobole mon ase?
Amni hanbi Nagaland de aibi, zoo de aibi, nature trail try kore.
Okay, chalo. So she's here is Chuchu.
Yes.
How you like this nature trail?
Very good, very amazing.
Okay, so
Every step reminds me of nature. Yeah.
okay, and here is Zevi and Arino. So your experience of this nature trail?
It's very good. Good. Perfect.
Okay.
I love it.
Here is Mercy.
Hi.
Say something about nature trail.
It's very pleasant and I really like the weather and thank you. Bye.
Nature trail there, say American. Chala, come on. Yes. Okay. This is really excited. Oh, I mean, bacha khan bishi excited ase. Tai khan sob manu enjoy kore ase nature trail de. Okay.